Understanding the phrase, I was floored, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, I was floored. This phrase is a great example of how English uses vivid imagery to convey emotions and reactions. Let's dive in and understand what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, I was floored, is an idiomatic expression. When someone says they were floored, they mean that they were extremely surprised, astonished, or taken aback. It's as if the surprise was so strong that it knocked them down to the floor. However, it's important to note that this is a figurative expression, not a literal one. Understanding the origins of this phrase helps in grasping its meaning. The idea behind being floored comes from the world of boxing, where a boxer might be knocked down to the floor from a strong punch. In everyday usage, it's commonly used in situations where someone is overwhelmed by news or events, whether good or bad. Let's look at some examples. 1. When I heard I got the job, I was absolutely floored. This shows a positive surprise. 2. I was floored when I found out the truth about the incident. This could imply a negative or shocking surprise. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Similar phrases include taken aback, astonished, amazed, stunned. I was floored is a powerful phrase to express deep surprise or astonishment. Remember, it's all about the emotional impact of the situation. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident using this phrase in English. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.